Hello and welcome to our video about 10 unknown musical instruments. Today, we are going to take a look at some unique and fascinating instruments that you may have never seen or heard of before. Let's get started. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new video notification. Please like, share and do comments on video. Hang drum. This is a percussion instrument that looks like a UFO. It's made of two metal hemispheres with a tuned metal plate on top. The player taps the drum with their hands to produce a unique, resonant sound. Chapman stick. The Chapman stick is a hybrid instrument that combines elements of the guitar, bass, and keyboard. It has a long neck and strings that are played by tapping or hammering on the frets with both hands. Nyckelharpa. The nyckelharpa is a traditional Swedish instrument that dates back to the 14th century. It has a wooden body, 16 strings, and a set of keys that control the pitch of the strings. Didgeridoo. This is an Australian wind instrument made from a hollowed-out tree trunk. The player creates a deep, rhythmic drone by blowing air into the instrument and using their lips and tongue to manipulate the sound. Waterphone. The waterphone is a percussion instrument that produces eerie, ethereal sounds. It has a series of metal rods of varying lengths that are struck with a bow, creating a haunting, otherworldly sound. Oud. The oud is a stringed instrument that is popular in Middle Eastern and North African music. It has a short neck and a pear-shaped body, and is played with a plectrum. Hangul. The hangul is a Korean zither that has been played for centuries. It has 12 strings that are plucked with a pick, and produces a bright, shimmering sound. Glass harmonica. The glass harmonica is a unique instrument that consists of a series of glass bowls of varying sizes that are rotated on a spindle. The player touches the edges of the bowls with moistened fingers to produce a haunting, ethereal sound. Theremin. The theremin is an electronic instrument that is played by waving your hands around two antennas. It produces a haunting, eerie sound that is often used in science fiction movie soundtracks. Shakuhachi. The shakuhachi is a Japanese flute that is made from bamboo. It has a unique, breathy sound and is often used in traditional Japanese music. And that concludes our video on 10 unknown musical instruments. We hope you enjoyed learning about these unique and fascinating instruments. If you have any other suggestions for unusual instruments, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.